In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items in Clickup. Whether you've accidentally removed a task or just want to bring back some information you thought was unnecessary, knowing how to retrieve deleted items can save you a lot of time and stress. So let's dive right into the process. First, head on over to Clickup's official website. This is your go-to platform for managing tasks, projects, and much more. Once you're there, it's time to log in. You'll find the login button quite visibly on the homepage. Give that a click and we'll proceed to the next step. Now you'll be on the login page. If you've linked your Google account with ClickUp, you can make use of the sign in with Google option. It's fast and straightforward. Just one click, select your account from the list and you'll be securely logged in. Once you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu which includes various settings and options tailored to your account. Among these, you'll see the option labelled Trash. This is the gateway to retrieving your deleted items. Clicking on Trash will present you with a list of everything you've deleted, sorted chronologically. It's like your recycling bin on your computer, a temporary repository for items that aren't quite ready to be permanently removed. Now go through this list to find the item you wish to restore. Once you've located it, you'll notice three small dots next to the item, a common indicator for further options. Clicking these three dots presents you with a few choices, yet your focus should be on Restore. This option is your lifeline in bringing back the item you've lost, returning it to its original place in your workspace. Click on Restore and just like that your item is back where it belongs, ready for whatever you need it for next. Remember, the trash feature in ClickUp only holds onto your deleted items for 30 days. After this period, they're permanently deleted and can no longer be retrieved. So it's a good idea to periodically check your trash if you habitually delete items, ensuring nothing important is accidentally lost forever. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to restore deleted items in ClickUp. Hopefully this method will make your task management smoother and more effective. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore the other features ClickUp has to offer to enhance your productivity even further.